Here we go!
Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Super Mario Galaxy PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. So the Super Mario Galaxy PowerPoint game is made by Steve Marty of the Waygook Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below for you to get your free downloadable PPT copy of the game. The home screen is a selection of stars with letters. You choose one to go to a question. You'll then go to a next screen. If they answer it incorrectly, you can click on the X. Here students can choose A, B or C, and sometimes they'll receive something good and sometimes they'll receive something bad. They'll also have an opportunity to open a mystery box. If they don't open it, you can give them 3 points. But if they want to open it, remember to warn them that it could possibly be bad. Click on the star to return home. There's a next level to this game. To do the next level, click on the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Well, I hope you enjoyed our Super Mario Galaxy PPT game walkthrough. Remember, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and follow the links below to get your free copy of the PPT game. Bye bye.